are dealing somewhere with the estate planning, possibly lack of estate planning also, because planning is not done. That's why now we are rushing to the court to get the damage control done. So I'll go one by one for each concept. Will is something, so let me start. You have asked for probate and succession certificate, but let us first start from the will and then we move on to, because will is the basic first thing that what one can start with. Will is something if a testator, if a person who's wanting to execute a document defining as to what all assets he has. It is not necessary that you put forward all your serial wise all your properties in it. It is not necessary. You can simply say all my movable, immovable properties, and that will include all the properties till the time of the death of the testator. So let us assume A has property XY only at the time when he has made the will. Subsequently, he made a will, say, at the age of 60 years. He lived, say, till 80 years. He acquired a property Z also during the last 20 years. That is after making his will at 60 until he died at 80. So, when will come into operation, will only comes into operation after the death of the testator. So, it will come into operation at the age of 80, not at the age of 60. That is when he has drafted or executed the will. That is not the date when it comes into execution. This is also sometimes some people have some misconception. If I make a will today, all my property will go away. So that is not so. This is you are safeguarding your property from going into the hands of somebody else whom you don't want to have after your death, not during your lifetime.